Music. Welcome to our review of the Dimensional Retirement Planning Tool. Product links are below. This tool helps individuals and advisors build evidence-based retirement strategies rooted in Dimensional's disciplined investing philosophy. It focuses on long-term planning, aligning personal goals with proven financial principles. Perfect for structured savers and advisors seeking data-driven client solutions, the tool begins with a comprehensive needs analysis. It factors in current assets, income, retirement age, and desired lifestyle to project future outcomes. You'll gain insights into savings needs, potential shortfalls, and optimal withdrawal strategies. A standout feature is its incorporation of market variability. Simulations show a realistic range of outcomes based on historical data and Dimensional's market perspectives. This tool integrates seamlessly with Dimensional's investment services, recommending diversified portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance and time horizon. Minimizing costs and maximizing returns through efficient market exposure is key. You'll receive detailed reports covering asset allocation, tax implications, and income sources like Social Security and investments. Behavioral coaching helps users stay disciplined during market swings and avoid emotional decisions. The straightforward interface and clear visuals simplify complex concepts, empowering confident, informed retirement decisions. The Dimensional Retirement Planning Tool is ideal for those seeking a research-backed, long-term approach. Whether preparing for your own retirement or advising clients, this tool provides actionable insights and strategies backed by decades of financial science. Explore the links below for a closer look.